Torrential slide value kind of equivalent to $16.3800 a coin in an essentially enormous manner. The present exchange cost range, 15.660 to 16.4800 in a significant way. The earlier day close, 15.8700, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. The change for the most part was plus 0.5100, plus 3.21%, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Converse rate, USD to Avax, which really is very huge. Torrential slide value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which truly is very critical. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday. Walk 20 cost $16.12, essentially greatest 17.25 in every way that really matters, least 14.99 in an unobtrusive way. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday. Walk 21 cost $14.63 in every way that really matters, greatest 15.65, certainly least 13.61 in an unobtrusive way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk 22 cost $15.23 in every practical sense, most extreme 16.30, truly least 14.16, which really is very critical. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday. Walk 23 cost $15.47, essentially greatest 16.55, fundamentally least 14.39, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. In multi-week torrential slide cost forecast on Friday. Walk 24 cost $17.31, genuinely most extreme 18.52, by and large least 16.10 in a very significant manner. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday. Walk 27 cost $16.91, beautiful greatest 18.09, really least 15.73, which especially is genuinely huge. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk 28 cost $17.61, really greatest 18.84, beautiful least 16.38, which by and large is genuinely huge. Torrential slide estimate on Wednesday. Walk 29 cost $16.59, kind of greatest 17.75, truly least 15.43, showing how most certainly backwards rate, USD to AVAX, which is very huge. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday. Walk 30 cost $15.53, exceptionally greatest 16.62, truly least 14.44 in an unpretentious way. In about 14 days torrential slide conjecture on Friday. Walk 31 cost $15.27, sort of most extreme 16.34. All things considered, least 14.20, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday. April 3 cost $15.63, truly most extreme 16.72, certainly least 14.54. So torrential slide cost forecast on Monday. Walk 20 cost $16.12, essentially greatest 17.25, least 14.99, which truly is very critical. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday. April 4 cost $15.53, sort of most extreme 16.62, really least 14.44 in a very significant way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday. April 5 cost $14.98, in every practical sense, greatest 16.03, beautiful least 13.93, or so they explicitly thought. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday. April 6 cost $14.47, exceptionally greatest 15.48, essentially least 13.46, showing that today, exchange cost range, 15.660 to 16.4800. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost expectation on Friday. April 7 cost $14.23, truly most extreme 15.23, by and large least 13.23, which in every practical sense shows that in about 14 days torrential slide estimate on Friday. Walk 31 cost $15.27, truly greatest 16.34, especially least 14.20 in an unobtrusive way. Torrential slide gauge on Monday. April 10 cost $14.76, most extreme 15.79, essentially least 13.73 in a by and large significant manner. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday. April 11 cost $14.14, by and large greatest 15.13, especially least 13.15, which really is very critical. Torrential slide estimate on Wednesday. April 12 cost $13.72, for the most part greatest 14.68, least 12.76 in every practical sense, significant way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, April 13, cost $14.12, sort of greatest $15.11, in every practical sense, least $13.13, showing how torrential slide conjecture on Thursday. Walk 23, cost $15.47, truly most extreme $16.55, beautiful least $14.39 in a huge way. In about a month torrential slide figure on Friday, April 14, cost $13.76, lovely greatest $14.72, kind of least $12.80 in an unobtrusive way. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, April 17, cost $12.78, truly most extreme $13.67, exceptionally least $11.89, which really is very critical. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, April 18, cost $12.45, truly most extreme $13.32, really least $11.58. Pretty further appearance how torrential slide cost pretty equivalent to $16.3800 a coin in a significant manner. USD to AVAX conversion scale equivalent to 0.0611 coins per $1, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Today, S reach 0.0607 minus 0.0639 in a sort of significant way. The past day, S nearby 0.0630, which really is very huge. Change for now 0.0019, 3.02% in a kind of enormous way. USD to AVAX cost gauge for in the not-so-distant future and month, which in a real sense is very critical. Dollar to torrential slide estimate on Monday. Walk 20, cost 0.062 coins. Beautiful greatest 0.067, certainly least 0.058 in an exceptionally significant way. USD to AVAX forecast on Tuesday. Walk 21, cost 0.068 coins. Truly greatest 0.073, least 0.064, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday. Walk 22, cost 0.066 coins. Fundamentally most extreme 0.071, essentially least 0.061, which especially is very huge. USD to AVAX forecast on Thursday. Walk 23, cost 0.065 coins. Exceptionally most extreme 0.069, certainly least 0.060, showing how torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, April 5, cost $14.98, essentially greatest 16.03, truly least 13.93 in a huge way. In multi-week dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Friday, Walk 24, cost 0.058 coins. Most extreme 0.062, in every practical sense, least 0.054, which sort of is genuinely critical. USD to AVAX expectation on Monday. Walk 27, cost 0.059 coins. Sort of most extreme 0.064, sort of least 0.055 in a kind of significant manner. Dollar to torrential slide gauge on Tuesday. Walk 28, cost 0.057 coins. Truly greatest 0.061, kind of least 0.053. Genuinely further appearance how in 3 weeks torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, April